It smells.
Does it?
It smells like cauliflower.
It smells like cauliflower.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like.
So we're going to take your hair down.
Oh.
And it's probably a little bit tangled because we let you run around after you got it washed. And it's freshly washed and conditioned, right, Maya?
Yeah.
Did it feel good to wash your hair?
I just cried a little bit.
Just a little bit, but not too much, right?
No.
You did good this time, right?
Mhm.
Okay. And in case you're wondering, we are in our PJs, right?
Mhm.
Who do you have on your shirt?
Elsa.
Yeah. As we said, my hair is washed and conditioned, and it has dried up a little bit, so we're gonna go ahead and re-wet it a little. And we're going to section it off. And this is Mama's first wash and go, right?
Mhm.
So we're going to see how this goes. Ma, you got to turn your head, baby.
What?
Huh?
Oh, yeah.
You're a mess. Really, Mama? Okay, so.
What's that sound?
That's outside.
Let's go check.
Hmm?
Where is it coming from?
So we're gonna clip that on, right?
Mhm.
Okay. Spray it a little bit. Ready?
Mhm.
Go. All right. So we gotta make sure our hair is detangled before we apply any products.
Mm.
And guys, Maya doesn't like detangling too much. She's not a fan of it, but she's doing good, right?
Mhm.
You're a big girl, right?
Mhm.
Okay.
Why is all this hair in the
Because mommy did her hair. Missy, telling all my business.
Oh, then tell me about it.
You telling my business, boo boo.
So I'm sorry.
It's okay. So we're using the Blueberry Bliss to leave in. Okay?
Can I do it?
Here, mommy will do it, okay?
Can I do it with you?
Here, let mommy do it. There we go.
Whoa.
That was a lot, huh?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So we're turning.
That feels good on me.
Does it? Does it smell good?
Yeah.
What does it smell like?
It smells like cauliflower.
Cauliflower? I think it smells like blueberries, Maya.
It is blue, but it does smell like blueberry.
It does. Does it smell really good? Do you like the smell?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ow.
I'm sorry. You don't really have any tangles, Maya. See?
Just a little bit.
So we're applying the gel.
Can I do it? Can I show them too with my hands?
Hold on, okay?
Mhm.
So here's the gel. How do you like the smell of the gel, Maya?
It smells like blueberries.
Do it. It doesn't smell like cauliflower?
No.
Oh, okay. So I'm rubbing.
Is that gel?
Yes, that's gel.
Let me see.
Hold on. And I'm raking. And as you guys can see, Mama has a totally different texture than what I do. But we do the same method, which I think we might be doing the same method. We'll see. Let's see. There we go. See how it clumps up? And I might have to scrunch it a little bit. There we go. Hey, turn around so we can see the curls, okay?
Mhm.
Okay, can you turn so they can see the curls?
Where?
Hold on.
Up towards the wall.
Just turn your head that way. And there's her curls, guys. All right. Now let's get the other side.
Now it's clipped.
Yep.
Now let's do it.
Now to the next row. Right? And Maya's hair is a little tangled, so I'm trying to be gentle with separating it. Right, Maya?
Mhm.
So let's see. Hold on. like getting your hair done in a wash and go?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like your curls? Yeah. Why do you like your curls?
Because it will get moisturized.
Oh, because they'll get moisturized?
Yeah.
Oh. Do you think they're bouncy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Your curls?
Let's see.
Okay, so on to the next section. Do it like mommy do hers, right? Okay. Alright, so like I said, we're spraying it first. Ready?
Can I do it?
No, mommy gonna spray it. We're gonna put the conditioner in. And you guys, I just noticed that the conditioner,
Mommy, I want to show them to them.
Okay.
Put some on me.
Alright, there you go. Here's the conditioner. Are you gonna put it in your hair? Put it in this part. Here, rub it together. And put it on that hair, on that part of your hair. Good job. Okay. All right. Let mommy get the other half. All right. Just notice that putting the conditioner, it does have a lot of slip. So it is easier to detangle if you need to with the conditioner in instead of just doing it with water. So I'm using my detangling brush and detangling. Isn't that easier to detangle with, Maya?
Yeah. Can I do it?
You don't have any tangles, do you?
No.
No?
I want to. Can I do it?
Hold on. Let mommy do it. Hold on.
Ouch.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
All right.
Now, can I brush it? Oh.
Okay?
Yeah, okay.
All right. There we go. All right. Got it? Brush it. There you go.
Okay.
All right. Good job. Okay?
This part?
Okay. There you go. All right. There you go. All right. Let mommy get it.
It keeps falling off.
All right.
Did you take it off for
Here's
me?
the gel. Yes, I took it off.
So you want to spring it?
It's a gel.
Can I do it?
Hold on, Maya. So I'm applying conditioner. Applying the conditioner, right, Maya?
Mommy, can you mama my face? Like this?
Maya has a few tangles, so we're gonna try and get these out.
It's not hurting.
Good job. That's good. Some good conditioner, huh? It helps it not hurt, huh? No.
But it just hurts a little bit.
Just a little, but not too much, huh?
Nope.
Nope.
What's happened to all my nails?
Okay,
What's
so
happened to all my nails?
we gotta paint your nails again, Mama. So we got that part out, and then we need to add the gel.
I don't want these now because they're so painty.
Oh, well, we're gonna repaint them then. What color are we gonna repaint them?
I want purple.
Okay, we're doing purple, okay? So on to the next section, guys. And you pretty much, so far I'm liking the gel and the conditioner. It's giving her, the conditioner is giving her a good slip, and the gel has a good hold on it, right, Maya? Yeah. conditioner. And like I said, I just realized that the conditioner works great with detangling, especially with fussy toddlers like Mama can be. All right, so.
Do the scrunch. Do the scrunchie again. Scrunchie. Do it again. The scrunchie.
Like it? What do you think about the hair gel? Did you like the hair gel?
Yeah, it makes my curls all bouncy.
Do they? And does it smell good?
Yeah, it smells like blueberry.
Does it? So what do you... There you go. It smells like blueberries?
It's scrunchy though.
Yeah.
Do it again.
Does it make your hair scrunchy? You like the scrunchy feeling?
Yeah,
Yeah.
do it. Do the scrunchies for my hair.
Oh, I don't know. Let's see. It's drying up now, so it really doesn't have any scrunch to it.
Let's try it with the blow dryer.
Well, we got to blow dry your hair. Hold on. And what do you think about the conditioner, Maya?
It's bouncy and goopy, but I like it to my hair.
You like it in your hair? And does
does
it make detangling better? Does it help with your hair with combing it better?
Read the back of it.
It says Blueberry Bliss. Curls Blueberry Bliss.
Curls Blueberry Bliss.
Yes. So you like that in your hair?
Mm-hmm.
And it doesn't make your hair nice and moisturized?
Yeah.
Okay. Will you use this product again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it smells.
Does it smell?
It smells like cauliflower.
It smells like cauliflower.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like because it smells like.
But I thought it smells like blueberries.
That one is not blue because that doesn't smell like blueberry.
Okay.
That smells like blueberry.
Okay.
And that smells like cauliflower.
Oh, okay.
I the one that's the best.
Which one do you like the best? You like the gel or the conditioner?
The gel.
You like the gel?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Would you recommend it for
I
your
like both of them.
You like both of them? Would you recommend it for your friend?
Your friend.
Your friend. Would you let any of your friends use it?
Bree?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You would say it would work good for her hair too?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this is our review on the Curls Blueberry Bliss. Okay?
Uh-huh.
All right. So let's tell everybody goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Comment down below
Yeah.
if you like this video.
Yes, comment down below. Bye.
Bye.